Welcome to the Family Math Night Online Assistant. When you purchase your Family Math Night event kit, you'll get access to your online assistant, which makes it easy to organize and manage your entire Family Math Night event. Begin by watching a short video of your kit and get access to key reference guides. All the information you need on each of the activity stations is available to you, from background information to your station facilitator notes and station videos. Great for training your volunteers. When you're ready to begin organizing your event, the event planning guide has you covered. It will walk you through step by step. Along the way, you'll get tips to make organizing even easier. The online assistant also makes the recruiting of your volunteers very easy. Just send out a link where they register to become a volunteer. They'll then be automatically added to your volunteer list. This list is a great way to keep track of your volunteers and the role you assign them. You can also add volunteers manually. Volunteers then get sent their welcome email detailing their role and responsibilities. The resources section of your online assistant is where you'll find a variety of customizable forms, from your flyers and sign-in sheets to your reminder stickers and station passports. Also in the resources is access to your blackline masters, which can be printed directly from the online assistant. For additional ways to enhance your event, check out the simple ideas in the event tips and ideas section. When all is said and done, your families can fill out an evaluation form using a QR code. All responses will automatically feed into your online assistant. The Family Math Night Online Assistant, a powerful tool designed to make your life a little bit easier.